I'm here to describe you about the Apple Watch Series 9 and the successful features that the most of the people are interested to buy this product. So in this presentation, I'm going to present my ideas, my conclusion and my negotiation skill with my client. So let's get started with our presentation. Hi, my name is Rajadeep Singh, and I found you through a market research and identified that you need align perfectly with the product that the features that this product offer you. So I'm here to present you about the Apple Watch Series 9 because of their incredible features, especially for the business enthusiast, for the Gen Z and the millennials, and even the many more product seeker that why they choose this product rather than any other because of their productivity enhancement features. You don't want to skip any messages and the call of your clients. And another reason that is because of the one of the perfect health monitoring feature that this product offers. And another thing that it provide one of the seamless, one of the best connectivities between other Apple products. For more clarification, the presentation follow a structured sales cycles and even provide one of the best discussion based on your needs and the requirement. And even it's highlight the features and the benefit of the product. And we also gonna discuss any objection or the concern you may have and work toward a solution that benefit both sides. Most of the people attracted toward Apple Watch Series 9 because of the features, advantage and the benefit that they get from this product. So in this table I just describe you about the many features that this product offer and the advantages and the benefit, which describe you more about the advantages of their health monitoring and even more about the connectivity between the iPhone and other Apple products and the sleek customizable design with the long lasting battery health, and even more about your professional needs as you don't want to skip any call and messages of your client, and the benefits that allow you to take a charge of your health and get real time health insight. In case of handling the objection, one of the most common objections the most of people say is that this product is quite expensive. I understand that the price is too much, but you can't ignore the benefit and the feature that this product offer you. As when you consider the health benefit and the productivity gains, then this product will become more worthwhile investment rather than fake purchasing. In the meantime, feel free to reach out with any question. I will also help you to set up your Apple Watch to ensure you get the most productivity out of it. And at the last, I would say that I will follow up within a few days to ensure you are satisfied with this product, and I'll get the feedback. How do you like this product and is it really worth it or not? Based on our discussion, I believe that you really like this product because of their features and the benefit and even the all the budget issue get solved. So I think there is a no doubt left in purchasing this product. So let's finalize your order today and take next step toward enhancing your product and health with the Apple Watch Series 9. And even if you want some extra, I can give you discount on your first purchase, and or I can give you a bundle offer with other Apple product. And if you're interested, so let's finalize the sales and let's negotiate with the deal. At the last, I must say that this exercise has shown me importance of the understanding and the client need and addressing objection effectively. In the future, I will focus on the better objection handling techniques and improving my closing strategies. The experience has helped me become more confident in delivering persuasive sales presentation. Thanks.